guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to paint my nails. I started off with I put some base coat, and then I just put a little bit of reinforcement gel, a thin layer, because my nails felt a little weak, so I just used some of this. And then I just used Sugar base and top coat. And next I'm going to go in with the Pict F-023 plate, which looks like that. And what I am going to do next is remove this blue film here. And then because I just removed that blue film, I'm just gonna, because there is a tacky layer that when they put that on. Okay, let me just wipe this down real quick. And then I'm going to use the white by Zjoy. So, some of my nail polish I had taken off. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with this image right here. Okay, so that's how that looks. And so what I'm going to do is do some reverse stamping with this one. So let me remove these sides right here, the excess stuff. And I'm just going to color in those two flowers. So once I do that, I will be right back. Okay, so that's how actually that came out. So I don't know if you'll be able, you know what, here, let me take it out. So here's how it looks from this side. And you know what, I told you the base I put on my nails, but not the color. So I used this Cateye 99. I don't know, what is this called? 99 MSHING or MSHING, I don't know. But it's this really pretty blue. And then it's got this Cateye effect with like a turquoise green when you use the magnet. And I just use this magnet right here because I can't find, I bought some little bent one, kind of like a half C from Lantern and Wren, but I don't know where I set it, so I just used, on a couple of them I used this end, and on some other ones I just used this. So yeah, that was my colored base. So next I'm just waiting for this little tacky. Hopefully, let's see. Okay, that's why I like to use foil glue, but I guess it's okay. Come on, stick. I'll take that off. And if I want, I could just stick, or try to get it to stick a little bit here. You know what? I probably should have put it really lightly on there. And since I'm using gel, I'm going to use, let's see, here. This is gel foil glue by MissCherring. So I'm just gonna kind of do dry brush strokes of it. So I'm gonna clean most of it off I can, and just kind of, if I can, put a couple little dots just to put a couple of those little lines on there. And here I have this little one right here that I'm going to use. And I don't know, I think this was it. I bought this jumpsuit, this Italian jumpsuit from Wish. It said Italy on it, and actually when I bought that, it had like free gifts you could pick out, and this is what I chose, because all the rest was stuff I didn't really need. They had like lotions and just, yeah, like stuff I didn't really use or need. Okay, come on. So there. And let's see, what else can we put? There, we'll put a little line dot there. And that's how that one came out. Next, let's see, what should we do? Oh, because my cotton dried up there. So let's see. Let's go in with this one on the side right here. But before I do that, I am going to go in again with, what nail should we do that on? I think I'm going to do that on my thumbnail. So I'm just gonna, I don't want that much on there. So just a little bit, just enough to kind of pull it off. And it's kind of nice. I didn't expect it to be that nice, but it shuts off automatically after 30 seconds. But I do use it 2 or 3 times because I feel like it's not as strong as like my East Cap lamp, or the one that has the nail, like when you file your nails and it catches all the dust. I have a UV LED lamp connected to one of those dust catchers, but it's so big I hate dragging it out. So I just use my East Cap lamp because it's pretty strong and it's not, it doesn't take up a lot of space. So let's go in with this. So I just use that little one for little things like what I just did. So here's that image, super cute. Pict has a lot of cheap plates and like really cool designs that you don't see on other plates. So I do enjoy their plates. So let's see here. And they work really well. I actually think they even work better than like Nicole Diary plates and stuff, because there is a couple Nicole Diary images like on some of my bigger LY plates and stuff that they pick up a little blotchy, and so these are really well priced if you don't want to break the bank and you want like different images. So here was that one. I really like that image. Okay, you know what? Let's go in with this one right here. Oh, let me clean my stamper. So here's that image right there. Next, I'm going to clean off these edges. So I'm going to clean these edges up just a little bit. Okay, next I am going to go in with, let's see, this image right here. Uh-oh. I always forget to clean my stamper. Okay, a piece messed up right there a little bit, but I'm not worried about it because I don't think I'm gonna go that far because my nails are pretty short still. And it won't show, so I think I'm gonna go in with this darker orange again. I'm gonna color it in. And I've been using these color like polishes I got from Lantern and Wren that I didn't really care for as stamping polishes, but they've been working great for filling in my images. They're like really good colors for that. So I'm gonna put a little bit of foil glue at this tip right here. I'm gonna give it a quick flash cure. Okay, so here is how that one came out. Hopefully you can see and it's focusing. And next, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean up these edges real quick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to top coat real quick. Okay. And next I'm just going to go in with a couple little, where's the little ones? feel like I have smaller ones than this, but I got some of these little clear kind of ones. Maybe these will look better. Okay, so I just put some rhinestones on there. Next, I'm going to cure them. And then I'm going to put some oil on because my cuticles are super dry. So let me see if I like this. I might redo the butterfly. Give me a couple minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's the final outcome. I redid the butterfly one and put a little crystal in the middle. Here's the thumb. So I like them. Next, all I'm going to do is I'm going to throw on some cuticle oil. Just because they are really dry. And yeah, so hopefully you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what you think. I will leave everything I use down below, and have a blessed and wonderful day. Be safe. Bye. Thanks for watching.